welcome to Sassy YouTube channel. This is an octopus. Alphabet Animal Kingdom. O is for octopus. Great. So let's start off with a U on its side. Draw a straight line across and draw a backward C here and a C here for the sockets and a little circle for an eye. Turn your line here and let's go all the way down. Great. You're going to be turning your lines, kind of like making C's and U's. Great. Nice and soft. And these are going to be for between the legs. Here we go. We got some lines going all the way up. There are lots of folds, so that's why we got two lines there. Let's do another turn line here. All right, let's connect all the way up and turn it around. What you might want to do is pause at any given time and just kind of follow along. And if you change things, I think it's going to still look really cool. So yeah, just keep turning your lines and making all the different legs that it has. And there's a lot of dimension to their legs. They're not flat, so that's why I'm going to start adding more to it as I go. So let's overlap and go behind here, turn this, and then bring this back down. Great. So let's see here. Let's go behind here. I don't know if I got 8 legs in, but I know there are about 8. So I made the head a little bit bigger, and now I'm going to start to shade it in. So nice and steady as you shade it. There's a dark for the eyes right there. And these are like folds, so dark in the center and then slowly shade it out. A nice gradation. And yeah, you can use color pencils, you can markers, whatever you want to do. I'm using just a regular pencil to shade this in and to color this in. This is fun. Go ahead and do the sections here. And if you want to add more, you can to it. I'm going to add one on this leg here. I didn't see that many in the picture that I'm looking at, which I'm going to post in the comments below. So yeah, I'm going to keep shading in between this. These are nice soft folds. And yeah, add as many details as you want to your octopus and it's gonna look awesome. So the last thing I probably want to do is darken around the eyes to get the socket. So this is O for octopus, and I thank you so much for tuning in, liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy!